Hi there! I don't know if you know, but this year is the 30th anniversary of We're Going on a Bear Hunt. Whew, how time flies. Well, this got me thinking about the power of stories in children's lives. So I've teamed up with Rory's Story Cubes. This game is designed to help parents unleash their storytelling powers. So we got some parents together to see how they felt about their storytelling skills and find out if Rory's Story Cubes could help them out.
A bridge, a fish, and a sleeping man.
This is a story about an Egyptian queen who's very good at shooting arrows and opening doors. They're really good fun, and actually I was surprised at how much you can do with them. I suppose it's sort of whatever you bring to it, but it's quite a nice prompt to have, you know, little things that can introduce new ideas.
Eric and Susie went on a trip to the pyramids, and whilst at the pyramids they had a conversation about their last trip to the theatre. It does help because, you know, you look at the pictures and then you kind of have like a direction to go in, even though it might not make any sense.
So he's thinking about this, and he's thinking, if only I can unlock the way I can work out what happened to my turtle. And then he suddenly thought, maybe it got stolen by an alien. Because you've got the 9 choices, you actually look at them and you're going through, you're going, I have no idea how I'm going to get that in. And as you're going, and you're just going, I have no idea where I'm going with this, suddenly it'll pop in. And the kids have looked at the dice and they've gone, how's he going to tie that in? And you get there, and they go, oh wow.
Eric was attracted to a big neon arrow that pointed towards.
We've been sort of dividing them up into a sort of beginning, middle and end, using some to create a character, which is really nice because once you've got your protagonist, you can take them on a little journey through the story.
And then he had a light bulb moment. He suddenly thought, oh, I've got it, oh my goodness me. What I'm going to do is cast a magic spell. It stretches you slightly, which is really great, I think, and really improves with each telling, because you know that when I've been here, when I saw the castle before, I remember I did that before. Well, now this time, I can go along that line I went before, but it'd give me a spur on to the next one.
And she said, hello, is there anybody there? And suddenly she heard a ma.
That's just the joy of making up a story.
Some really great stories there. I loved seeing the confidence using the cubes gave those parents. And as we've seen, using the cubes can help to fire your imagination and take you to places you might never have thought of yourself. If you'd like to have a go with Rory's Story Cubes yourself, you can go to www.storycubes, that's all one word, storycubes.com to find out more.